This video shows you how to install your Ring Spotlight Cam wired. First, let's take a look at the parts of your Spotlight Cam wired. Here is the camera, the speaker, the lights, and the motion sensor. This cable provides power to Spotlight Cam. Before installing, plug your Spotlight Cam into a power outlet in the same room as your Wi-Fi router and open the Ring app on your mobile device. Tap the Setup Device button, choose Security Cams, then select Spotlight Cam Wired. Follow the in-app instructions to complete setup. Once you've finished setup in the Ring app, your Spotlight Cam may start flashing white and tell you that it's updating. If this happens, do not unplug your Spotlight Cam. Wait until it stops flashing before continuing. After setup is complete, select your Spotlight Cam in the Ring app and tap the Live View button to see live video from your Spotlight Cam. If everything looks good, unplug your Spotlight Cam, take it outside and plug it into the power outlet near the install location. Give it about a minute to come back online. Then tap the Live View button to access live video from your Spotlight Cam again. If the video quality still looks great, go ahead and install your Spotlight Cam in the desired location. If you see video quality issues in the install location, see if you can find a suitable install location that is nearer to your router. You can also extend your Wi-Fi signal by adding a Ring Chime Pro. The optimal install height for Spotlight Cam is about 9 feet or 3 meters above the ground. At this height, with the motion detector parallel to the ground, Spotlight Cam is optimized to detect human-sized objects at up to 30 feet away. Next, install the mounting bracket with the side that says up facing you. Use the mini level to make sure it's even. Use the mounting bracket as a template to mark the screw holes. If you're mounting your Spotlight Cam on a masonry surface, such as stucco or brick, use the provided drill bit to drill the holes. Then insert the included anchors into the holes. If you're installing on a wood surface, you can screw the mounting screws directly into your wall. Align the 4 screws on Spotlight Cam with the 4 holes on the bracket and push it down to lock it. The security screw locks your cam to its bracket, preventing it from being removed. Use the star-shaped end of the provided screwdriver to tighten it until snug. Secure the power cable to the wall using the provided cable clips. If you're securing your power cable to stucco or brick, first drill holes with the provided drill bit. Then insert the wall anchors before installing the cable clips. If it's not already plugged in, plug your Spotlight Cam into a power outlet. Loosen the Phillips head screw on the left side of the mounting bracket so you can set up your Spotlight Cam at the perfect angle. Then tighten the screw to lock it in place. Now your Spotlight Cam is ready to use. If you need additional help, visit ring.com/help.